Hello everyone, welcome to Shahin's Kitchen. As you can see, I have got liver. This is known as Kaleji. Today I am going to make a very yummy gravy of Kaleji. So let us see the materials we require. This is 250 grams of liver or Kaleji. 1 large size onion. We will going to make a paste of it. 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. 2 medium-sized tomatoes blended, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds or hush hush, 1 teaspoon of grated coconut, salt according to taste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 4-5 green chilies, piece of nutmeg, 4-5 green cardamoms, piece of nutmeg and 1 strand of mace. I have crushed it, 2 bay leaves, little bit of black zira or shazira and 4-5 cloves, few peppercorns, red chili powder. I have taken 1 teaspoon. You can adjust the quantity according to your liking. 1 teaspoon of homemade garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, green chilies I have taken 5, you can adjust the quantity, and coriander leaves, and this is oil to prepare our gravy. First we are going to give a boil, 2-3 pressures to this liver, and always remember whenever you are preparing liver, try to prepare when it is fresh, not the frozen one. It gives better result. And wash it properly. Important tip friends, washing is very important to remove that smell from liver. Just give a final rinse with white vinegar. Keep it for 2 minutes and wash it properly. Take a pressure cooker, put your liver, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, little bit of ginger and garlic paste, and 1 piece of bay leaf, and add water to it, about 1 glass, 1 or 1.5 glasses of water, and give about 3 pressures. We have to make a very fine paste of onion, coriander powder, this is our poppy seeds. We will drain out the water and then add it into this, and cardamoms with skin, piece of nutmeg and mace. We will make a very fine paste of it. After giving 3 pressures, now you can see I am going to test. Yes, it has become tender. The liver has become tender. We will transfer liver into the bowl and take a pan or a wok and add about 2 large spoons of oil. Heat up your oil properly. Once the oil is hot, we will going to add this whole okhada garam masala. Fry it. And this is the paste of onion, grated coconut and poppy seeds, and the rest of the masala, green cardamom, mace and nutmeg. And fry it very nicely till it changes its color. Now I've been frying it for 5 to 6 minutes, and now time to add our ginger garlic paste. Now add little bit of turmeric powder. Again fry. Add red chili powder. Add green chili. Once this masala is fried for 8 to 10 minutes, then we will add blended tomatoes, coriander powder, add very little water and cover the lid for 5 to 7 minutes. Now we will cover the lid. Now after 5 minutes, you can see our masala is cooked and oil is oozing from the sides. Now it's time to add liver. Now we have gotten right idea of our proportion. Now we have to add salt to it. Add salt according to you consume. We can always taste salt afterwards also. And this is our garam masala powder. And now we have to add little bit of water. Don't add water at a single time. Add water in little amount. Keep stirring. We can also cover it for some time. This gravy is quite thick, not watery. And for again 10 minutes we will going to cook it covered. In between we will give a stir to it. Put your flame on low or medium heat. Cover it. Now it's 10 to 12 minutes. I have cooked it on slow flame. And now this is the consistency for liver or kaleji we require. I mean, if you like little liquidy one, you can add water, but this is the proper thickness we require for this gravy, and it's ready. So friends, here's liver gravy is ready. It has turned really very yummy, finger licking. Do give a try. And please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share if you like the recipe. Enjoy your cooking. Have a nice time.